Struggling to lose weight after 40? You're not alone. As we age, our metabolism slows, energy dips, and what used to work just doesn't anymore. But here's the good news. With just 7 simple morning habits, you can kickstart natural weight loss, boost energy, and feel like yourself again. As we age, our metabolism naturally slows down, making it trickier to maintain a healthy weight. But don't worry, it's not an impossible task. By incorporating these simple yet effective habits into your daily routine, you can give your body the boost it needs to shed those extra pounds and feel your best. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to weight loss. So let's get started on this transformative journey. Before you even think about that cup of coffee, consider the benefits of starting your day with something much simpler and more essential: water. Start your day with a tall glass of water. This simple act can have profound effects on your overall health and well-being. I recommend at least 16 ounces or 2 cups. This amount is ideal to kickstart your hydration for the day. Think of it as a jumpstart for your metabolism. Water helps to wake up your digestive system and get things moving. After hours of sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated. You haven't had any fluids for several hours, so it's crucial to replenish your body's water supply. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps to rehydrate your body, kickstart your metabolism, and flush out toxins. This can lead to better overall health and increased energy levels throughout the day. This simple act can also help to reduce bloating. When your body is properly hydrated, it can more efficiently process and eliminate waste and improve digestion throughout the day. Good digestion is essential for absorbing the nutrients from the food you eat. Remember, good digestion is crucial for efficient nutrient absorption and weight management. When your digestive system is functioning well, your body can better utilize the vitamins and minerals from your diet. Make it a habit to keep a glass or bottle of water by your bedside table. This way, you can easily reach for it as soon as you wake up, making hydration the first thing you do each day, so you can easily reach for it as soon as you wake up. This small change can make a big difference in how you feel throughout the day. If you find plain water too bland, try adding a squeeze of lemon or lime for a refreshing twist. The citrus not only adds flavor, but also provides a small boost of vitamin C. You can also opt for herbal teas like ginger or peppermint, which can aid in digestion. These teas are a great way to hydrate while also enjoying additional health benefits. The key is to make hydration a priority first thing in the morning to set your body up for success. By starting your day with water, you're giving your body the best chance to function optimally. Pair your morning hydration with a healthy breakfast to fuel your body with the nutrients it needs. A balanced meal combined with proper hydration can significantly improve your energy levels and overall well-being. Consider setting reminders on your phone or using a water tracking app to ensure you stay hydrated throughout the day. Consistent hydration is key to maintaining your health and energy. Carry a reusable water bottle with you wherever you go. This makes it easy to sip water throughout the day and stay on top of your hydration goals. By making hydration a priority, you'll notice improvements in your energy levels, mood, and overall health. Start your day hydrated and set yourself up for success. You've heard it before, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. A balanced breakfast provides your body with the energy it needs to power through the morning. It helps you stay focused and productive, and prevents those mid-morning energy crashes that often lead to unhealthy snacking. Aim for a breakfast that includes a good balance of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. This combination ensures that your body gets a steady release of energy. Think scrambled eggs with whole wheat toast and avocado. The eggs provide high-quality protein, while the whole wheat toast offers complex carbs that digest slowly. Greek yogurt with berries and nuts is another excellent choice. The yogurt is rich in probiotics and protein, the berries add antioxidants, and the nuts contribute healthy fats. Or consider oatmeal with chia seeds and fruit. Oatmeal is a great source of fiber which helps keep you full, while chia seeds add omega-3 fatty acids, and the fruit provides natural sweetness and vitamins. These nutrient-rich foods will keep you feeling fuller for longer, preventing overeating later in the day. They help maintain stable blood sugar levels, which is crucial for sustained energy and mood. On the other hand, avoid sugary cereals or pastries. They may taste good, but they provide empty calories and can lead to sugar spikes and crashes, leaving you feeling tired and hungry soon after. Remember, a nutritious breakfast sets the tone for a healthier day overall. It can improve your concentration, support your metabolism, and even help with weight management. So, take a few extra minutes in the morning to prepare a balanced breakfast. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Whether you're eating alone or with family, make breakfast a priority. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Plan ahead if you have a busy schedule. Meal prepping can save time and ensure you always have healthy options ready to go. Start your day right and fuel up with a balanced breakfast. I know it can be tough to squeeze in a workout in the morning, but trust me, even a short exercise session can make a world of difference. Engaging in physical activity in the morning, whether it's a brisk walk, a quick jog, or some bodyweight exercises, helps to boost your metabolism and burn calories throughout the day. Morning exercise also increases your energy levels, improves your mood, and helps you feel more alert and focused. If you're short on time, aim for at least 15 to 20 minutes of moderate intensity exercise. You can even break it down into smaller intervals throughout the morning. The key is to get your body moving and your heart rate up. We all know that stress can have a negative impact on our health, including our weight. It can make us feel overwhelmed, anxious, and even physically ill. The pressures of daily life, work, and personal responsibilities can build up, leaving us feeling like there's no escape. When we're stressed, our bodies produce cortisol, a hormone that can lead to increased belly fat storage. This is because cortisol triggers our bodies to store fat, particularly around the midsection, as a survival mechanism. Over time, this can lead to weight gain and other health issues such as heart disease and diabetes. That's where mindful meditation comes in. Mindful meditation is a practice that involves focusing your mind on the present moment, acknowledging your thoughts and feelings without judgment. It can be a powerful tool to help you manage stress and improve your overall well-being. Taking just 5 to 10 minutes each morning to practice mindfulness can help reduce stress and promote a sense of calm and well-being. This simple practice can set a positive tone for the rest of your day, helping you to approach challenges with a clearer mind and a more balanced perspective. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Pay attention to the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Notice how your chest rises and falls with each breath. This simple act of focusing on your breath can help anchor you in the present moment. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to your breath. It's natural for your mind to drift, especially when you're new to meditation. The key is to be kind to yourself and gently bring your focus back to your breathing each time you notice your thoughts wandering. There are also many guided meditation apps available that can help you get started. These apps offer a variety of meditation practices, from beginner to advanced, and can provide you with the guidance and support you need to develop a regular meditation routine. Over time, you'll find that incorporating mindfulness into your morning routine can help you manage stress more effectively, leading to healthier habits overall. You'll start to notice a difference in how you respond to stressors, and you'll feel more in control of your emotions and reactions. This can lead to a more balanced, healthier lifestyle and a greater sense of inner peace. Plan to succeed. Failing to plan is planning to fail, especially when it comes to healthy eating. Take some time each morning to plan out your meals for the day. This will help you make healthier food choices and avoid impulsive eating or reaching for unhealthy snacks when hunger strikes. Consider packing a healthy lunch and snacks to take to work or school. Having a meal plan in place will not only save you time and energy, but also reduce the temptation to order takeout or indulge in unhealthy options. Remember, preparation is key to success. Chapter 6. Ditch the sugar bombs. Those sugary drinks might seem tempting, but they're loaded with empty calories and can sabotage your weight loss efforts. Cutting out sugary beverages like soda, fruit juices, and sweetened coffee drinks can significantly reduce your calorie intake and help with weight management. Instead, opt for water, unsweetened tea, or coffee. If you need a little flavor, try adding a splash of unsweetened almond milk or a squeeze of lemon or lime. Remember, staying hydrated is crucial, and choosing healthier beverage options can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Soak up the morning sun. Exposure to sunlight in the morning is more beneficial than you might think. Sunlight helps to regulate your circadian rhythm, which controls your sleep-wake cycle. Getting enough sleep is essential for weight management, as it helps to regulate hormones that control hunger and metabolism. When you expose yourself to sunlight in the morning, it signals to your body that it's time to wake up and be alert. This, in turn, can lead to better sleep quality at night. So open those curtains, step outside for a few minutes, and let the sunshine energize you for the day ahead. Your journey to a healthier you. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Remember, incorporating these simple morning habits into your daily routine can make a world of difference in your weight loss journey and overall well-being. Start small, be consistent, and celebrate your progress along the way. Do you have your own go-to morning routine for staying healthy after 40? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear your